What's the meaning of cowhand? Cowhand. Cowhand.
Cowhand. Cowhand. Cowhand is a noun that refers to a person employed to tend or ranch cattle. This term is commonly used in North America, particularly in the western United States. Cowhands are responsible for a variety of tasks, including feeding and watering the cattle, branding and castrating, and herding them from one location to another. They often work long hours in sometimes rugged terrain and harsh weather conditions. Despite the challenges, cowhands play an important role in the cattle industry, ensuring the proper care and management of these valuable animals.